Welcome back, Maths Warriors. Today we're not just doing exponents, we're throwing down the gauntlet. This one's a challenge. A tough one. A where's my calculator kind of question. But don't worry, we'll survive it together, with a bit of maths magic, and some laughs. Alright, here it is. Deep breath. Solve for x when 3x to the power of x plus 2 times 9 over 27 to the power of x is equal to 1. This isn't just a maths problem, it's a trust exercise. But trust me, we've got this. Step 1. Change every base to 3 so that there is a common base. And let's also use the exponents addition rule to give each base a single-term exponent. This will become 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2 over 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 1. Now let's use the exponent addition rule to add the like terms. 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 plus 2 over 3 to the power of 3x is equal to 1. Then we can use the quotient rule for the terms with x, which now gives us 3 to the power of x minus 3x times 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 1. When we simplify that, we get 3 to the power of negative 2x times 3 to the power of 4. Now we pause, breathe, and remember, 1 is every base raised to the power of 0, as long as the base isn't 0. So 1 will be the same as 3 to the power of 0. Since all the bases are the same, which is 3, we can now drop the bases. This now becomes negative 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. We only want x. So we can subtract each side by 4, then divide each side by negative 2 to get x only. X is equal to 2. And that's it! We have our answer. You just solved a level 9000 exponent challenge. And no one cried, at least, not visibly. If you enjoyed this challenge and want more tough questions, or trickier ones that make your brain do backflips, hit that like button, subscribe and comment below. More maths mayhem. Until next time, stay sharp, stay curious, and remember, exponents aren't scary, they're just numbers, with extra ambition.